Remote jobs for software engineers. Everything you need to know. The rise of remote work has transformed many industries, but none more so than software engineering. If you're a software engineer or aspiring to become one, there's never been a better time to explore remote job opportunities, according to Daily. Dev, remote jobs for developers have surged by over 200% since 2019. This rapid growth highlights a strong shift toward flexible, remote-friendly work environments in the tech industry. In this guide, we'll explore what it means to be a software engineer, the skills you'll need to succeed, and the different types of remote roles available today. What does a software engineer do? Software engineers are the brains behind the programs and applications we use every day. They design, build, test, and maintain software that meets user needs. Often working in collaborative teams, software engineers partner with designers, project managers, and other stakeholders to develop user-centric solutions. Their responsibilities typically include 1. And testing code. 2. Designing software systems. 3. Debugging and troubleshooting applications. 4. Documenting software for future maintenance. 5. Gathering and analyzing user feedback for improvements. Essential skills for remote software engineers. To thrive in a remote software engineering role, professionals must possess both technical expertise and strong communication skills. Here are the key skills every remote software engineer should have. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at ayipost to receive updates on latest jobs, personal finance, relationships, motivational quotes, and productivity. Also share with friends, family, and perfect strangers. On programming languages, proficiency in languages like JavaScript, Python, Java, C++, or Ruby. 2. Database management and SQL, understanding how to organize, retrieve, and manage data. 3. Communication and collaboration, strong written and verbal skills for working with remote teams. 4. Software development lifecycle, SDLC, knowledge of planning, developing, testing, and deploying software. 5. Object-oriented programming, OOP, ability to structure and organize code for reusability and scalability. 6. Creative problem-solving, thinking outside the box to tackle complex technical challenges. 7. Execution and productivity, managing time effectively and delivering quality work remotely. 8. Testing and debugging, ensuring software is reliable and performs as expected. Types of remote software engineering jobs. Software engineers can specialize in various areas depending on their interests and expertise. Here are some of the most common types of remote software engineering roles. 1. Mobile app developers design and develop applications for mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. 2. Web developers create and maintain websites and web-based applications using front-end and back-end technologies. 3. Desktop application developers build software specifically for desktop computers and traditional operating systems. 4. Embedded systems. Engineers develop software for embedded systems found in devices like cars, home appliances, and wearables. 5. Data engineers focus on building data pipelines and managing the infrastructure needed for analytics and machine learning. 6. Game developers design and create video games for consoles, PCs, and mobile devices. What should your resume for a remote software engineering position look like? Here is a hypothetical resume for a remote software engineering position. Resume: James Taylor, remote software engineer, james.taylor, email.com, +1 555 123 4567, LinkedIn, in James Taylor Dev, GitHub, com J Taylor Dev, location, remote, open to all time zones, professional summary. Detail-oriented and self-motivated software engineer with 5+ years of experience developing scalable web and mobile applications. Proven success in remote team environments with strong skills in collaboration, time management, and asynchronous communication. Passionate about clean code, agile practices, and delivering reliable, user-centered software solutions. Key skills: languages and frameworks: JavaScript, Python, TypeScript, React, Node, JS, Express, Django. Tools and platforms: Git, Docker, AWS, PostgreSQL, Firebase, Jira, Slack, Trello. Development practices: Agile, Scrum, test-driven development, CI/CD, RESTful APIs. Remote collaboration: GitHub projects, Zoom, Loom, Notion, Google Workspace. Professional experience: 1 senior software engineer, remote, Technova Inc. New York, NY, fully remote. Feb 2022, present. 2. Led development of a React-based SaaS platform serving 30,000 plus monthly users. 3. Implemented CI/CD pipeline via GitHub Actions and Docker, reducing deployment time by 60%. 4. Collaborated with cross-functional teams across 5 time zones using Slack, Notion, and Trello. 5. Conducted weekly code reviews and mentored 3 junior developers remotely. Full-stack developer, remote contract, Bright Apps Co. Dun, San Francisco, CA. Jules, 2020. Jan, 2022. 5. Built and maintained RESTful APIs using Node. JS and MongoDB for a fintech app. 6. Developed mobile-friendly UIs with React Native, improving user engagement by 35%. 7. Worked asynchronously with international team members, ensuring time zone-flexible handoffs. 8. Automated testing using Jest and Cypress, increasing code coverage to 85%. Software engineer, Blue Wave Digital. Austin, TX, May 2018, Jun 2029. Contributed to a Django-based analytics dashboard for enterprise clients. 10. Wrote efficient PostgreSQL queries that improved app performance by 40%. 11. Participated in daily stand-ups, sprint planning, and retrospectives as part of Agile Team. 12. Transitioned to partial remote work during 2020 with seamless delivery continuity education. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, University of Texas at Austin. Graduated 2018 certifications. AWS Certified Developer, Associate, 2023. Remote work, productivity and communication. Coursera, 2022. Projects, remote team chat app. GitHub repo. Built a Slack-like real-time messaging app using Firebase, React, and Material UI. Designed for distributed teams with time zone-friendly features like scheduled messages. Portfolio website, JTailer, dev personal portfolio showcasing projects, blog posts, and testimonials. Built with Next.js and Tailwind CSS, hosted on Versal. Final thoughts. The remote job market for software engineers is booming, offering professionals around the world the chance to work from anywhere while contributing to cutting-edge projects. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your journey, understanding the skills and roles available is key to landing the perfect remote position. Stay updated, keep learning, and take full advantage of this remote work revolution. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at ayipost to receive updates on latest jobs, personal finance, relationships, motivational quotes, and productivity. Also share with friends, family, and perfect strangers. Follow us on ayipost. Kami.